Ever wanted to learn how to sing? Well, now's the time to take action. Sing School 2020 will be opening its doors in September. Whether you're a beginner or you've been singing for years, now's the opportunity to work with me on this 8-week online vocal program that is going to transform your vocal technique. Becoming a great singer doesn't happen overnight. You have to take action and you have to do the work to get where you want to be with your voice. You're gonna learn the groundwork, the core things that you need to become a fantastic singer. Fun exercises, video lessons, backing tracks and sheet music that are gonna help you to get the voice that you want. Vocal technique is an absolute must for anyone who wants the best from their voice. So don't miss it. You're only gonna have 2 weeks to enroll in this course and the doors will be opening mid-August. So you can get on the wait list right now by going to singersadvice.com/singschool. Get the voice that you want. Sing School, for singers who want more from their voices.